by myself now. I've got lots of different ammo. I've got slugs for bears, I've got birdshot. It's a nice thing about shotguns, they're versatile. There we go. Just gonna leave my gun case in the bushes. I'll get it on my way back. Well guys, welcome to the temperate rainforests of Southeast Alaska. It rains over 270 days out of the year here, and we're about 45 miles northeast of Ketchikan, Alaska. All right, we better get trucking. Got a long way to go. Look at this place, it's a cold jungle. Everything is covered in moss. Look at the size of this log. This is crazy.